So this problem has two parts. Let's focus on the first part. Okay, now find the points on the curve. We have this big curve here, such that the tangents on these points are parallel. Okay, parallel to this given straight line. Okay. Okay, so we have two lines here. Okay, we have the big curve, and I'm asking you where on this big curve have the same slope as this line. Okay, have the same slope as this line because we're talking about parallel, right? So basically it means slope somewhere on this curve parallel, right? So it must be equal to the slope on this given straight line. Alright, so of course when we talk about slope of a curve, okay, we have to differentiate it. So we take ddx of this thing, right? And it equals to the slope of a straight line. How do you find the slope of a straight line? Well, you've learned that in core mathematics. So for the time being, I'm just going to give you the answer here. That's 2. Okay? So let's continue. So we have 3x squared minus 10 equals to 12. Okay, and so 3x squared equals to 12, and x squared equals to 4, and so x equals to plus or minus 2. Okay, now we are asking you where the points are, right? Where the points are. That means we need to find the position, right? When we talk about the slopes, we go to dy dx. When we talk about the positions, where they are, where, we go back to y, right? So we have 2 points basically. Okay, so we put this back into the original curve here. So when x equals to 2, I put this 2 inside this x here. Okay, back to our original curve. So we have 2 cubed minus 10 times 2 plus 4, and that equals to negative 8. Okay, and we also need to find the other one, right? We have 2 points. What about x equals to negative 2? And by the same token, when x equals to negative 2, I've also put negative 2 in here. So I get y equals to 16. Okay? So therefore the points are 2, negative 8, and negative 2, 16. Now the second part of this problem asks us to get the equations of these two tangent lines. Okay, we have 2 points, right? That means we have to find 2 tangent lines to these curves. Okay, now remember when we trying to find tangent lines, that means a straight line, we need 2 things. One information is 1 point, and another information is slope, right? We need them both. Okay, now remember the slope of this line, of this straight line, is 2, right? And so we have here a point and a slope for this line, and another line is this slope and this point and this slope. Okay, so the equation of the tangent line at this point is y minus this number, negative 8, over x minus this number, that's 2. Okay, equals to the slope right here, right? Equals to 2. Okay, so y plus 8 equals to 2 times x minus 2. So y equals to 2x minus 12. Okay, that's one answer. Okay, but we also need to find this one, right? So we'll move on to this point. The equation of the tangent to the curve at this point is y minus, well, this is 16, okay, over x minus this number, that is negative 2, equals to this number again, that is 2, right? So let's continue. So that is y minus 16 equals to 2 times x plus 2. Alright? So y equals to 2x plus 20. Okay, that is the other answer.